Watch all my videos. This is how I fight. Real. You learn Andy Kim system, you land the fish faster. Took the top fly, looks like. That's on the bottom fly. That's it. So that's the lowest it goes. Okay, reel it in more now. No, reel it in. Okay, that's the angle I wanted right there. So you can see, you don't have to look up. You can see the angle of the, rod bend. Yeah. I mean the butt section. Yeah. Good. There you go. Nice couple. Little guy, but it's a good practice fish. Looks like he took the top fly. Okay, when it comes in, reel it in. Keep jump high though. Okay. Oh, got him. Okay. Phil's first fish today. Yeah, I know. So people see it, it's a top dead center, just like that. Catch him in the mouth. Every fish catch him in the mouth. You. I don't know, is it on? I think it's on. Let it go. Just give him the water. Just let it go. There you go. Yeah. Once the time is right, it's a lot easier. That's why I land my world record trout like 5 minutes. That's good. Yeah, bigger than I thought. A little more turn toward torso toward. There you go. All right, Phil learned the lesson. He got his line out and. Yeah, real faster. It's coming in faster. Easy now. Turn the torso more towards the fish. There you go. That makes a big difference. And it's getting tired. That's why you gotta use the 2 finger up there. Took the top fly. Dang it. I thought it was gonna hit the bottom fly. So you still torso against it. That pulls too much of a hook. So let it go. Don't touch the reel. Yeah, it's come around. Just keep your eye there. There you go. Shaking the head. Just raise your arm a little bit now. We're under control. Oh, I took the bottom fly. I told you it's gonna hit the bottom fly. I was right. Hang on. Just keep jumping high a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I took the top fly right there, the bottom fly. Probably inhaled it too. Let's take a look. This guy's really clean. Oh, about 18 inches here. See that fly right there? Yeah. Right in the mouth. He inhales it. Every fish, using 2 flies, every fish you're catching in the mouth. People accusing me, oh, you guys are snagging. Yeah, snagging in the mouth. Took the bottom fly. Everything we catch him in the lips, on the lips. You don't want to rod too far back. Your dad did it, sir, and lost that. There you go. Keep your, yeah, and the 2 finger up. Here, that makes it a lot easier. Don't grab the line when you do that, okay? Sometimes the people do that and fish you run and break the fish off. Good, almost there, fish getting tired. Sonny, you got yourself a fishing buddy now. He's getting good. Oh, your rod got too low. Get some line on the reel. That. Okay, this time we'll land it. It's just getting tired. See the head is coming up. Good, he's getting it. So this afternoon is going to be a lot easier now. Assuming you don't forget it. Yeah, you can feel the shaking, huh? Head shaking. Okay, almost came up. Whenever it comes in, don't be afraid to reel it in. even 2 inches coming in, don't be afraid to reel it in. You gain the distance, reel it in. That way fish head come out, it's a head coming up, head almost. But don't lift the whole head out of the water, that's the key, okay? So next time head come up, just raise your arm a little bit so I can scoop it. Good. Okay, it doesn't fight, so reel it in again. Okay, left arm higher, higher. There you go. 2 fingers a little further up. Look at my hands. Not here. There you go. Good job. You're not a beginner no more. Where are you? Oh, I should almost hit. There you go. I took the top fly. You get him in already?
Yeah.
Very good. You got the top fly or bottom fly? Looks like a fly already came out. You're on the top fly. Hang on, buddy. Give him some water. Hang on. Here's a top fly.